Stop scrolling. 3 reasons this digital path can change everything. Oh, you were waiting for me? If you've been scrolling through YouTube looking for the thing that finally helps you build freedom online, this is it. Give me a few minutes, because what I'm about to break down might shift everything for you. I'm going to share 3 reasons why now, not later, is the best time to start building your digital business, even if you have no experience, no audience, and no idea where to start. Reason number 1, the digital shift is already happening. The online world isn't coming. It's here. The global e-learning and digital product industry is projected to hit $3.4 trillion by 2025. That means more people than ever are buying digital products, courses, templates, and training online every single day. Let me break it down for you. Millions of people are searching for solutions every day, not just entertainment. Businesses are shifting from physical to digital. Everyday people, not tech experts, are building new income streams because digital tools have made it accessible to anyone. I got curious about this same opportunity a while back. I didn't have a big following or fancy tech skills, but I realized I could position myself in front of this digital wave instead of watching it pass me by. You don't need to be a creator or influencer. You just need to learn how to position yourself in an industry that's already growing faster than ever, or faster than most people even realize. Reason number 2, you don't have to start from scratch. Most people fail online because they start with nothing. No product, no plan, no support. But what if you could skip that struggle? Inside the community I'm a part of, you actually get a ready-to-sell digital product, step-by-step training, and mentorship. That means you're not trying to piece things together on your own. You're starting with a complete system that's already helping people earn online. You learn how digital marketing works by doing and not guessing. You have something real to offer right away and keep 100% of your profits. You're surrounded by others building alongside you, so you're not alone. When I first saw this, it clicked. I didn't need to reinvent the wheel. I just needed to model what was already working and make it my own. Reason number 3, one decision can change everything. Every major change starts with decision, not a perfect plan. Most people keep waiting for a sign, a clear path, or more confidence. But confidence doesn't come before you start. It comes from starting. Let me give a reality check. The biggest regret most people have isn't that they failed. It's that they waited too long. Every month that passes without taking action is a month someone else builds momentum you could have. The digital space rewards early movers, not because it's a race, but because consistency compounds. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to take the first step. And that's exactly what this digital path gives you. Clarity, structure, and mentorship. So let's recap. The digital economy is exploding right now. You can start without building everything from scratch, and one decision can completely change your direction. If that resonates and you want to explore how this works, click the link below. You'll see exactly what's inside, how people are using it, and how you can start your own digital business even if you've never done anything like this before. You're one decision away from your next chapter. Don't overthink it. Your timing is right now.